Okay guys, I just picked up Jetski. Now I'm heading home. As soon as we get there, then we're gonna see how can we fix it. What's up YouTube? Welcome back. On this episode I'm gonna do something different from what I do. I got a 2006 Kawasaki STX 12F out of eBay auction. This beast right there is a 4-stroke. Right now it doesn't run. This engine spins, but it doesn't have a good compression on the first 3 cylinders. On the 4th one it doesn't have compression at all. So as you can see, it looks in a good shape. It has some scratches here and there, but nothing major. It just needs a deep cleaning, and that should do the job real good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna open up this, get out the seat. You just pull this tab right here and the seat comes out, and you just take it out. I already removed the spark plugs. I did a compression test. The first 3 have like less than 50 psi. The 4th one doesn't have nothing at all. And when I checked through the spark plug hole, I can see there's some metal pieces that tell me that piston or something must have been broken over there. Other than that, it doesn't look bad at all. As from these scratches over here, I can tell that someone worked on it before. And the engine mounts underneath, they look new, so this engine must have been rebuilt before. The screen works. Yeah, there's one more other issue. It tells you that it has only 3 hours on it, which that's not true. Other than that, this is a beast right there. I left the spark plug over there. It latches, and got more storage here. Everything works. Yep. I'm gonna run the power. Okay. Let's see. Now I'm gonna open the top.